Hey guys, welcome to LZH project. My name is Salman Francis and this is 7th part of our CCI learning track, 7th video. And in today's video, we will take a look at what is a native VLAN. So if you remember from our last discussion when we were talking about trunks or trunk links, uh, we saw that all the tagged packets basically uh, transfer from one switch to another and which belong to a specific VLAN. So whenever VLAN traffic goes from switch A to switch B, the packets are tagged or the frames are tagged, okay? And those tags have VLAN's ID, and whenever they leave the switch, the tags are dropped and they go to their specific computers or hosts. Okay, all the non or untagged frames are assumed to be of belong to native VLAN. And in Cisco switches, basically, native VLANs are native VLANs is VLAN 1. So for security purpose, the best practice is to use some other ID for native VLAN. And so let's go to our switch, enable, and over here, if we type the command show interface trunk, we can see that at the moment the native VLAN is 1. Okay, native VLAN basically it does not belong to any port. So let's create a native VLAN which is not VLAN 1. Okay, and one thing to remember, for the switch to properly communicate for Cisco switches, native VLAN should be same all over the network. So otherwise it will give you a native mismatch, VLAN mismatch errors. So let's check that. To create a VLAN, native VLAN, we go to conft and we will create, let's say, VLAN 39. Okay, Control C, show VLAN brief, and you can see that we have one VLAN 39. Okay, now in order to make this VLAN native VLAN, we will go to trunk port Ethernet 0/0. This is the port which is associated with trunk. You can see from this here, this is a trunk. Okay, we will need to go to this trunk, and then we need to allow this command. Switch port trunk native VLAN 39 here. Switch port trunk native VLAN 39. Okay. Show VLAN brief. Okay. And you can see now it's giving native VLAN mismatch because the other switch does not have the same VLAN. But over here, if we type the command show interface trunk, now you can see that the native VLAN is 39. Okay. On switch number 2, show interface trunk, and native VLAN is still VLAN 1. Alright, can we ping? Oh. Here. Can we ping? Yes, we can. Yes, we can ping. But the thing is, like untagged packet is the problem. We are in part of VLAN, so it's not going to be an issue, but we will receive this message every now and then. It's a native VLAN mismatch. So in order to remove this error, what we can do is we'll go to conft, okay, and create VLAN 39 and Control Z. and then we are going to conft interface ether0/0 and issue the command of switch port trunk native VLAN 39. Show interface trunk. Perfect. Now we have the native VLAN of 39. Show VLAN brief, and you can see now it's still there, VLAN 1, because you cannot delete such VLANs like by default which exist. And in order to delete VLANs, of course, database, like let's say if you want to delete configuration for switch, for example, write erase, and if you press enter, this will erase all the system, right? So the thing is, it's not going to erase VLAN database, because in order to check VLAN database, you need to see VLAN show VLAN brief. For example, this database, this is not available in normal flash. So you need to dir in order to check where are those dat files. So here is our dat file, and in order to remove all the VLANs, we would need delete Unix VLANs. Okay, then if we press enter, it's going to delete the VLAN. So anyway, thank you very much for watching, and this is native VLAN. See you in our next video. Goodbye.